Hello everyone, my name is Gurinder and I'm a certified Canfield trainer and a life coach. So today I want to talk about the things which gives me pure joy. Joy is the key part of a good life and everyone wants to have a life full of happy and fun-filled moment. So if we talk about life is all about having the experiences of this human body. So when I did a Jack Canfield training program. There I have to think about the moments which gives me pure joy. So when I think back, I came to realize that pure joy to me is when I laugh until my stomach hurt, and pure joy to me is also when my mind is not clouded by anything else. I have zero thoughts, I have zero stress, I have zero worries, and I am fully present and live into the moment. So I wrote down all the things which makes me happy. So I like to dress up, I like rhythm of falling rain, I like earthy smell when rain hits ground, I like letters or old ways of expressing love, I like heart conversation without any judgment or thoughts, I like tree houses and heritage buildings and resorts, I like to live in cabin houses, I like creative work, or I like to create art or sketch. I like to do personal development work. I like to have my warm cup of tea or coffee with my book, and I like freshly cut flowers in my house. I like plants and garden. I love mountains and pine trees. I love traveling to vacations with my family. So these are my joy lists. So I try to merge some of my joys in form of a book summary where I am presenting a book in form of an art. So first book which I have taken is of Super Attractor. This book is written by Gabby Brustine. She is a spiritual leader, and this book is all about to manifest your dreams and desire with ease. So because we are living our life just aimlessly wanting things. Sometimes we have success and sometimes we don't, so we don't know how to align with the universe. So she gives us a tactic. So trying to present this book summary. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much. A lot of people are living life aimlessly, just wanting things and not getting them, and sometimes feel like they have success and sometimes feel like they don't. And this sort of up and down, and it's such a frantic way of living, and we don't know how to tune in and get connected to have a life that flows. So, this is basically a difference between being aligned and being misaligned. So, when we are aligned with the truth of who we are, this is when our life begins to flow. When we are misaligned, we are controlling, we are speaking really fast, we are trying to make things happen, we are feeling uncomfortable in all these different situations, we are trying to force something, and we are trying to manipulate. So this is a girl who is misaligned with universe. She is depressed, she is crying, she is heartbroken, she is overwhelmed, stressed, overbooked and overloaded. So these are the features of when we are misaligned with universe. I try to control my circumstances and I am resentful. My energy is low and I feel physically ill. It struggled to get things done. I cut off from flow of inspiration. I felt unsupported and pressure to perform. I was in and out of manic manifesting, trying to force the universe to give the results I wanted. Both work and personal relationships suffer due to this misalignment, and lot of negative stories are on repeat. These stories built up strong momentum that you become physically ill and depressed. And worst of all, you felt guilt because you are disconnected from your true sense and true source of power, which is love. And when these negative thoughts and these controlling action and these fear-based response occur, we continue to tell universe that you are saying yes to chores. Each thought we emits energy. Each thoughts emits energy, and this energy brings us either closer to the flow of universe or either resist it. So energy behind our thoughts directly affects our experiences. When we have fear-based low vibe thoughts on a repeat, it's create energetic movement and momentum that will eventually start to manifest in our lives. So when this kind of a situation happens, you have to say to yourself that I am done with this drama and I am changing the story. I am getting more help and I am clearing the space to focus on my gifts and to focus on my strength. I want to write more and I want to speak more. I live more in my solitude and serene and my creative space. I welcome the universe to support this shift now. So when you say this affirmation, the energy will shift. You choose again and you redirect your life. In an instant you realign with love and universe respond powerfully. In a moment you change your story and say yes to what we truly want. And as soon as universe deliver, you are in such a better place. You shift our perceptions and allow miracles to unfold. Your energy vibrates with love and you match the creative force of universe. And you know that whatever the circumstances, there is a spiritual solution to this. So here is a girl who is aligned with the universe. She is reading a book. She is in a peace of state. She loves doing the things that gives her joy. So this is what aligning her to universe, because she is feeling good and a whole new world is coming in bloom for her. You feel a sense of freedom and faith that what you deserve is on your way. Even when you can't see it, you have more fun and you feel better. Invisible doors will open for you and creative opportunity present themselves without efforts. You do less and receive more. When you are in alignment with the flow of universe, you are super attractor, creating the life you want. Simply by choosing to feel good, you can align with the universe. So are you ready to realign with the universe? Yes or no? Thank you.